Solar hot water repairs carry a wide range of solar hot water replacement parts in their vehicles and service most types of solar hot water systems. The complete pump station is the most commonly used replacement part to fix broken solar hot water systems. They can be fitted to any system, and using this complete setup to fix your solar hot water system will save you money in the long run. The benefits is you replace everything with the latest components, including a digital controller. The advantage of a digital controller, we can guarantee your system is working correctly, and we will show you how you can keep an eye on your system's performance.